She's up in the kisses with you. What you say we happy.
They say that you will never know the love of a parent until you become one. Something we never really thought we would be good at until yes.
Hey guys, hello. It's so cold, guys.
Today is one of those days where we create great memories again. As the saying goes, there's no 7 wonders of the world in the eyes of a child. There are 7 million.
Look, all those daffodils, baby. Bluma, Papa Bluma. Wow. Hey, Ala, why are you getting one? You cannot get one. Ala, Nene, don't get the red, baby. No. No. Yes. We're here just a few meters from the house, guys. Come on, let's go, baby. Baka na the train station. Come.
Bluma me. Bluma me. Oh, it's far away.
Yeah.
It's far away.
Yeah, what is far away?
It's far away.
Yeah.
Geliefd met rust te laten.
I know, Papa. Let's go.
It's far away.
Otherwise, you know, I have a heavy passenger and links. Yeah. So busy on the road, guys. Say hello, baby. Woo. And there's a train, guys, in front of us. Yes, baby. Train. And go to the other side. There's no there's no bike path, baby. Nay. Watch the lava chip. Watch the lava chip.
How dark it got?
Dardy cut? Go away, I have my kids. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Oh, the mama sheep is annoyed because we are near. See? Yeah. You may look like it's sunny, guys, but it's very cold with the wind. Oh my god.
I stuck it.
what? Oh yeah, what is that? Wow. Yeah, hey guys, we're almost home. Thank you so much for being with us biking today. And we will see you again on our next vlog. I still have one coming up, guys, the full video of the castle Kokenhof, so stay tuned for that. It's quite long. Bye! Bye guys!
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors.